PowerControl X is connected via plug-and-play to all relevant sensors in the engine compartment, including boost, camshaft, as well as rail pressure for diesel and intake manifold for gasoline engines. Also, removing the system and returning the vehicle back to its original condition is really easy when changing vehicles. PowerControl X can be reinstalled in any other vehicle. Via smartphone app, the new software is easily downloaded and installed. If necessary, please replace the cable harness.